Alright, we're about to begin the installation of Tesla's screen bracket. This specific bracket is primarily designed for use with our mobile phones, and it offers the convenience of wireless charging capabilities. You see, the frame of the whole screen is very consistent. I think the workmanship is pretty good. Then this thing is mainly used to put the sunglasses we often use after putting it on. We can put the sunglasses in this place and take them out for use when needed while driving. Having already installed the left bracket earlier, it's time to proceed with the installation of the right bracket. In fact, the installation is very simple, just lock it and you can use it. Then pick up another store and we can do wireless charging. Tear off the cover. Good. Let's proceed with testing the device and ensure that it charges normally. Let's take a look at its back. It actually has heat dissipation holes, so this wireless charging can still keep it very cool in summer.